Okay, when it comes to ratios with tape diagrams, it is actually pretty easy to do as long as you follow these steps. So the first thing we want to do is read the question. It says Joel is making a scarf. The diagram shows the ratio of knit stitches and purl stitches of Joe's scarf. So we have 2 knit stitches and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 purl stitches. Remember, whatever we do to the top, we have to do the same thing to the bottom. They want to know, based on this ratio, how many purl stitches are there if there are 8 knit stitches. So right now, for the knit and the purl, right now I have 2 knit and 7 purl. They said, what if I had 8 knit? In order to get from 2 to 8, I multiply by 4. If I multiply by 4 on that side, I have to multiply by 4 on this side. 7 times 4 would give me 28, so the answer would be 28 purl stitches. The diagram shows the ratio of trees. Um, I guess you say the name Mave. I like that name. Plants to the trees she harvests. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees that are planted, 2 trees that are harvested. So they want to know, what about trees planted and trees harvested if she does the same thing over these next couple of days? So plants, harvest. I have a 5 here. I think I wrote it backwards. Let's get this off. There we go. I have a 5 here and a 2 here. First thing they want to know, what if I had 18 trees harvested? To get from 2 to 18, I multiply by 9. If I multiply by 9 on that side, I have to multiply by 9 on this side. 5 times 9 gets me 45. So I know that a 45 has to go here. On the next part, they said, what if I had 55 trees planted? To get from 5 to 55, I multiply by 11. So 2 times 11 would get me 22. And I'm done. Luna and Jenny casting some magic spells. Okay, the ratio of Luna's to Jenny's is listed below here on this tape diagram. They want to know how many would Jenny cast if Luna cast 20. So first off, let's count and see what we have here. We know that Luna has 1, 2, 3, 4. And Jenny has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they said, what if Jenny casts 20? In order to get from 5 to 20, I multiply by 4. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. So I have to do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 gets me 16, so I know that is my answer. Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. I think I messed up. Where did I mess up at? Let's see. That's exactly where I messed up at. I did not read the question here. Look at this. Based on the ratio, what is the number of spells that Jenny cast? I done wrote the 20 over here with Jenny. I am not going to edit this out because I want you to see even teachers make mistakes. I'm going to leave that in there. I had the first part right. The 4 was here, my 5 was here. That was correct. But when I got to the bottom, I didn't even read this right. How many spells did Jenny cast when Luna cast 20? I wrote my 20 under the wrong person. 20 has to go under Luna. 4 times 5 would get me 20. So 5 times 5 would get me 25. Remember, if you read the problem wrong, or you're like me and you halfway read the problem, you'll get the wrong answer every time. But once you take your time, you'll get it right. On this one, blue versus green. I got to move fast because I only have 30 seconds left. I have 4 blue, 1 green. Okay, so to get from blue to green, I divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 gets me 4. To get from green to blue, I multiply by 4. So 4 times 4 gave me 16. 7 times 4 would give me 28. Hopefully this is right. Awesome, we did it, guys.